Hello future doctors and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into fascinating in MDCAT MCQs to sharpen your physics knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is the object at equilibrium may have any A force acting upon it, B acceleration, C velocity and D torque acting upon it. So the correct option is C velocity. The next MCQ is a guy is standing in a lift falling freely under gravity releases a ball from hand. Is seen by the boy A fall down, B remain stationary, C goes up and D none of the above. So the correct option is B remain stationary. The next MCQ is which stone bridge is used to A. Compare resistance, B. Determine the current, C. Determine the charge and D. Determine the EMF. So the correct option is A. Compare resistance. The next MCQ is lower fixed point of Celsius scale is A. 23 degree C, B. 273 degree C, D. C 0 degree C and D 100 degree C. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is according to the Gauss law, electric field intensity between two oppositely charged parallel plates is. The next MCQ is a fuse can be severe against A. High voltage, B. High current, C. High power, D. Heating of wires. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is a current of ZA is passing through an inductor of 2 mH. Energy stored by it is A 8, B 10, C 6 and D 4. So the correct option is C 6. The next MCQ is volume stress divided by volume strain equal to A. Young modulus, B. Bulk modulus, C. Shear modulus and D. Hypermodulus. So the correct option is B. Bulk modulus. Affected by 100 kg of radioactive chemical with a half-life of 5 years which decays to a stable compound, how much of the chemical will stay be radioactive in 10 years time? A. None, B. 25 kg, C. 50 kg and D. 75 kg. So the correct option is B. 25 kg. The next MCQ is alpha, beta and gamma radiation are emitted from a radioactive substances. A. When it is heated. B. When it is subjected to high pressure. C. When it interacts with another particle and D. Spontaneously. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is change in entropy doesn't depend on A. Amount of heat added to the system, B. Amount of heat rejected from the system, C. Temperature of the substance and D. Amount of the substance. So the correct option is D. Amount of the substance. The next MCQ is a frictionless heat engine can be 100% efficient if A. The temperature of the sink is 0 degrees C, B. The temperature of the sink is 0 Kelvin, C. The temperature of the source is 0 Kelvin and D. The temperature of the sink is equal to the temperature of the source. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is a body moving with velocity can be stopped by a force in direction of it. Some body moving with velocity 5 and can be stopped by a force 5 in distance equal to A x, B 5x, C 10x and D x square 2 x under root 2. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is one wheel has a diameter of 30 inches and a second wheel has a diameter of 20 inches. The first wheel travels a certain distance revolution in 240 revolution, and how many revolutions did the second wheel travel the same distance? A 170, B 160, C 360 and D 420. So the correct option is C 360. The next MCQ is dark plastic handlers often used on kitchen utensils because the black material is good in radiation. B. The plastic is a good insulator. C. The plastic is a good conductor. And D. The plastic soften gradually with excessive heat. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is a parallel plate capacitor has a capacitance if the distance between the plate and the plate both have halved. Now the capacitance will be A 0.5, B 4, C 0.25 and D. So the correct option is D. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your physics skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.